All right. We're here and we're ready to rock and roll. This is Mr. Fogelson, and we're going to generate an image in Photoshop. First thing I'm going to do is go to Photoshop. I'm going to go to the light bulb lessons, and then I'm going to go to view all tutorials, and we're going to go to generate an image. So there it is, generate an image. We're going to watch this video here.
If you can dream it, Photoshop with generative AI can make it a reality. In the generative area of the toolbar, I have a number of methods I can use to create original content. I'd like to build out an entire scene, so I'll focus on Generate Image. Prompt Inspirations here on the right offer an easy way to customize a few approaches, or I can start from scratch with search prompts of my own. I'll try photorealistic flamingo in a swimming pool with a reflection, a yellow mid-century modern house, and for a little extra fun, mountains in the background. For content type, photo does the trick. I can always include a reference image. I'll skip that for now. And in the effects area, Art Deco seems just right. I'll click Generate, then sit back and watch the magic happen. Now that's a creative place to get started. I could always refine what I have by changing any of the styles and text prompts, and then generate again. And that's a quick look at Generate Image in Photoshop on the web.
Okay, all right, let's get out of this video, and we're going to go ahead and go to Photoshop. I'm going to click on the Photoshop icon at the upper left corner there, and I'm going to click on Generate an Image. So we're going to create an image from a text description. And we are in Generate Image, and what would I like to generate? So I'm going to go ahead and type in something here. I clicked on the prompt. I'm going to type in a dog eating cake while jumping over the moon. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Generate, and it's going to go ahead and generate the image and make the magic happen. Give it some time to think. And there it goes. There's the dog jumping over the moon while eating cake, and you can always select other ones. That's adorable. All right, I think I'm gonna go with this one here. You can always generate more variants. If you do want to go to like an art piece instead of a photo, you can do an art piece. There's different kinds of art that if you want to lay out that composition wise, and I'm just going to go ahead and there's effects, and I'm going to go with digital art, and I'm going to generate. So we've got a couple style changes and effects changes, and see how much it affects the actual creation of your generative art. And there we go. We've got some more examples. That's adorable. All right, so we've got a bunch of examples there. We've generated the art in Photoshop. Now we need to save it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit download. Download to computer. Remember, we save it to our desktop, not our documents. I'm going to call it generative art or image. And then we save it to our desktop. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the Google Classroom, plus add or create file, exit out full screen so we can see the actual artwork. And I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop the generative art in there. Make sure it's the proper file. You have it labeled, so you should be able to find it. I've got other files on the desktop, so just be aware of that. And then hit turn in work. And you can always unsubmit, resubmit. Just make sure it is one that you are turning in. All right, that's it for generative art, creating an image in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and good luck on doing it yourself.